Hey guys, hope you're doing great. Welcome to Python How To. In this video, we're going to build a virtual girlfriend using Python and AI. Yep, you heard that right. So first, you need to go to Google Gemini website and get your API key. To do that, just Google Gemini API, click on the first link and log in with your Gmail account, and then click on Explore Models in Google AI Studio, and then click on Get API Key. Next, click on Create API Key, and here choose Gemini API and click on Create API and copy this somewhere. This is your API key. Next, we need to install the Gemini package. Its name is Google Generative AI. So you can just install it with pip or whatever package manager you like. I open cmd and type pip install Google Generative AI and hit enter. But I already installed it, so skip this step. Now create a Python file and import the Gemini package. Import google.generative.ai as GenAI. Now we need to configure the AI model like this. GenAI.configure and pass the API key. API key equals this key that we create. Remember, this API key must be a string. Then we choose our AI model. I will use this one. Model equal GenAI.generative model Gemini 2.0 Flash. Right now, this one works great, but feel free to check the documentation and try other models too. Now we need an initial prompt to describe our girlfriend's personality. I already wrote one and I will paste it here and also put it in the video description. You can use mine or write your own version to describe your ideal girlfriend. You can use names and other personality you want. Now we tell the AI what role it should play, like this. Chat equal model dot start chat, history equal role, user, parts, GF prompt. I pass the GF prompt to this chat model to remember who is she. Now everything's ready. Let's write a simple infinite loop to chat. While one user equals input u, if user is exit, break, else print f string gf chat dot response, no, send message to user dot text, and boom, our virtual girlfriend is alive. Let's test it. Okay, I say, hi sweetheart, how are you? Hi Ali, my love, I'm doing okay, thinking about you. How are you doing, sweetheart? Really tell me how you feel. I'm here to listen. Okay, I say, I love you. Do you know that? And you see, our code works fine. You can improve this program in many ways, like adding a GUI or saving chat history to a file or database, or even adding voice If you like this video, don't forget to like it and stay tuned for more from Python How To. And see you in the next video.